came to you with nothing in my hands, my pride a broken wall, my heart a piece of sand. I counted all my sins, they covered up the sky. I had no words to speak, only tears to cry. I am nothing, you are all. Raise me only when I fall. Take my will, my breath, my call. I am nothing, you are all. I am nothing, you are all. The doors I thought were mine, you closed them one by one, until the only path was the shadow of your sun. I lay my forehead down on the floor where beggars stay. If you write me as your slave, that is more than I can pray. I am nothing, you are all. Raise me only when I fall. Take my will, my breath, my call. I am nothing, you are all. I am nothing, you are all. If you hide me, I am hidden. If you show me, I am seen. I am carried, I am taken by a mercy evergreen. I am nothing, you are all. Raise me only when I fall. Take my will, my breath, my call. I am nothing, you are all. I am nothing.